feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
For severe dry cough, honey-based syrups are highly recommended due to their effectiveness in soothing the throat and reducing cough intensity. Honey acts as a natural cough suppressant and has antimicrobial properties. Dextromethorphan is another active ingredient to look for in over-the-counter cough syrups, as it helps reduce the cough reflex. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new medication to ensure it's appropriate for your specific health condition.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.